Alright, so this is kind of neat. I know that not a lot of you are interested so much as like the medical side of chemistry, but since I want to be a doctor, I thought this was cool, so bear with me. There is this gene that they have isolated called Magnus, and it stands for mitochondria associated protein involved in granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor signal transduction. Woo! And it encodes for a mitochondrial protein. And for those of you who aren't big on biology, mitochondria actually have their own sets of DNA, and it's passed down from the mom. So essentially what this study did was it looked at this particular gene, and they think that it's associated actually with tumor development because there's an overexpression that they found in people who have particular types of tumors. So the idea, and this is where the chemistry comes into play, is that they're actually trying to synthesize different compounds that would target that gene itself and downregulate the expression, meaning that they would shut it off, they would inhibit it. And this particular protein, gene, DNA, it's got a lot of guanidine residues. For those of you who haven't taken biochemistry yet, or you haven't, got really into DNA, guanidine is a base that's used, and it's it's kind of like a specific marker for things. Usually you put adenines on things and you methylate things for different proteins to be able to kind of like seek and find, okay, you're here, so now I'm going to buddy up with you and I'm going to do my thing. Well, with Magnus, they found that there are a lot of guanidine residues, so they're creating these compounds that are going to be specific. They're going to target these particular residues, they're going to fit in there, and then they're going to downregulate it. So there are 5 different compounds that they made. You guys can read about it. I posted the link to the slide if you're interested. But basically they found that there was a correlation between a couple of the different compounds and downregulation of that Magnus gene, and that translated to a positive correlation for decreased cancer. So what it's essentially doing is it's promoting the controlled cell death of these cancer cells, which is basically like chemo, where it's targeting these quickly proliferating cell lines without having to non-specifically target other cells that are healthy and that grow at a normal pace. So that's actually pretty interesting. I do have the citation, I have the link if you guys are interested, and that's all for your cool, fun, crazy science fact of the week, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!